thank you, Amy, for this wonderful session. We have learned a lot, and we are implementing your overall skills that we have imparted from this session, and we will keep continue to implement this in future as well.
Thank you so much, Amy. It was a great session. It was a 6-month journey, and now next time when we have a presentation, we know what are the tools to look at. We know how to present ourselves. So all thanks to you and the session.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amy. So personally, I would never use any tools for preparing any presentation or communicating with anyone. So this was really helpful for me. So now, every time when I have a presentation or some important discussion, I do prepare and use the tools that you have suggested.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amy, for all the knowledge you've imparted us. All the sessions which were very easy to follow and equally easy to implement as well, which is mostly not the case, but it was great learning a lot from you, and then we'll keep implementing the same.
Very small cheat codes for improving our communication skills, such as the prep method is one of the best method, and also the conflict management is one of the key major issues with me, which I improved by this communication class. Thank you so much.
These sessions, the main takeaway for me was building confidence, never to be afraid to come in the center stage and talk in front of the crowd. Apart from this, when this course was started, I was a newbie here, so it had been only 2 months I had joined this organization that time. So, and now I have a lot of friends here because we could hang out here, talk, and become friends. So that is a slightly different takeaway rather than improving communication skills. Of course, that has been improved. There are a lot of cheat codes, like she mentioned. I think it was overall a very, very wonderful series of sessions.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Amy. It was a wonderful session and a good learning opportunity. This has helped me to boost my confidence, especially when it comes to public speaking and interaction.
Hey, hi, I am able to speak more confidently now, and I am super happy, and I can express well.
Thank you.
Thank you. This was a very good effort from your side. I am surely a changed person from the first day and till day. It was not my forte, but I think I am doing well and I will continue this.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Amy, for the session.